We've got an important recall to tell you about. The maker of Robitussin cough syrup has issued a nationwide recall of 2 cough syrup products due to a microbial contamination that could be life-threatening for at-risk individuals. Consumers who have the product should stop using them immediately. Contact a doctor or healthcare provider if any adverse symptoms occur. For a full list of products affected, go to our website, today.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.